Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Here we are with part 3 of the Great Civic Rebuild Restore. So we're just going to jump right into it here. We made mega gains in this video.
I love how you get the clips of the sanding, but not the fact that I tore that entire car down to that level in the last 16 hours.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
We now have the first bit of the Civic painted and it is looking pretty sweet. So this is the original color, except we have added a bit of flair to this. So you can see there's some really fine metallic in there. And also, if you can catch it, there's a bit of a purple pearl. So this is really cool. It looks really good. It's hard to catch on camera here. Overall, very happy with how this turned out. Really great finish. The engine bay looks great. From here, I'm ready to do a little bit of assembly. Strategically, I painted the gas door, the tail light fillers, and the rear bumper. So for the most part, I can put the rear end together. I do have to take the trunk off. I did it up like this so that I could paint the arms and the underside of the trunk. I've always had bad luck trying to paint both sides at once. So I'm gonna paint the top of it after. I'm going to remove it and then paint the top. But at least now I have the bottom done and I've saved myself the aggravation of having to redo everything when I try to paint both sides at once, which has just never worked out well for me. Before doing the front end of the car, I'm actually going to finish up the motor, get the motor back in the car so that we're not working around freshly painted body panels, putting the motor back into the car.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again. I'm so in love with you. You got me down again. I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
Camera down.
All right, here we are with the final batch of stuff to paint. As you can see, the booth is rather crowded, but it did all fit. So I'm gonna go ahead, final wipe all this stuff, wet my floor down. I'm gonna start off with some epoxy sealer primer, get into the base and clear, and we'll cut back after that. With the final body pieces all painted and looking good, we are now ready to get into the final phase of putting this car together, which includes getting in the glass, putting on all those body pieces, and we still have a few finishing touches for under the hood and in the interior. With that being said, I'm going to wrap up this video here, and I'm going to bring you back in the next one where we will complete the car and you can see the finished product. So don't forget to like, subscribe if you're new here, and comment down below what you think of the car so far. All right, everyone, till the next one,